So the first topic of our homework today is Exponential Rules Level 1. You might notice that that's the same category or topic, whatever you call it. It's the same thing that we did last time, is what we finished with, but we're just going to do it again and give you 2 examples on that, just to refresh your memory. So Exponential Rules Level 1. Okay, let me screenshot this. We're going to express the following fraction in simplest form using only positive exponents. Okay, so 3v squared to the power of 5 over 15v to the power of 5. Let's do the top part first because it has more going on, so we can simplify that. This exponent of the 5 gets to apply to everything inside the parentheses because it's like right outside the parentheses. Okay, so then we have 3 to the power of 5v squared to the power of 5. That should be a 5. So that 5 got applied to everything there. And I'm just going to keep the bottom the same for now. Okay, and then let's simplify this part further. So v to the power of 5, it's not v to the power, 3 to the power of 5, I don't know off the top of my head, but you can use calculators, remember that? So that gives me 243. And then v squared to the power of 5, that means we are going to multiply these exponents. So v to the power of 2 times 5, all over 15v to the power of 5. Okay. Any questions so far? I'm going to pause the video so you guys have a chance. All right, so simplifying further, we have 243v to the power of 10 because 2 times 5 is 10 over 15v to the power of 5. Just trying to zoom out so I can scoot over. Okay, so now let's simplify our numbers, our coefficients. So 243 over 15, this is a simplifiable fraction. So if we want to find something that we can divide away from both the top and the bottom, I find that we can divide both of these by 3. So 243 divided by 3 is 81. And 15 divided by 3 is 5. So now we have simplified the 243 over 15 into 81 over 5. And then the rest stays the same for now because I'm just going to do it step by step. So we have 81 over 5 and then v10 on the top and v to the power 5 on the bottom. So finally, let's simplify this bit. So we have our 81 over our 5, and then over here, we're going to do the top minus bottom. So 10 minus 5, top exponent minus bottom exponent. And then I ran out of space, so I'm going to write it over here. 81 over 5, v to the power of 10 minus 5 is 5. So this would be your final answer. Now I'm going to pause again and check to see if you guys have any questions. Okay, sounds like there are no questions, so I'm going to go ahead and enter this in. A1 v to the power of 5 over 5. Okay, let's go to the next problem. We have 2a squared cubed over 10a cubed. So let's start off with the top part, and we're going to distribute that exponent of a 3 to everything. So we have 2 cubed times a squared cubed over 10a cubed. And then 2 cubed is 8. A squared cubed would be a to the power of 2 times 3. Remember, you multiply these exponents. All over 10a cubed. So this is 8a to the power of 6 over 10a to the power of 3. Let's simplify the 8 over 10. So both of these are divisible by 2. So that gives us 4 over 5. And then we still have our a6, a3. So then with our 4 over 5, that stays the same. Now let's deal with our a6 over a3. A to the power of 6 minus 3, top exponent minus bottom exponent. And then that gives us 4/5 a to the power of 3. And that would be our final answer. Very similar to the first one. So, do you guys have any questions? I'll give you guys a chance to ask by pausing the video. So let's go ahead and enter this into the answer box. 4/5 a cubed, or 4a cubed over 5. 4a cubed over 5. Sorry, it takes a while for me to type it. Okay, so we just did 2 examples of this one. Hopefully that was a refresher for you because we did do this category before. So I'm going to stop this video and move on to the next section.